which you have provided. Please bear with me, because there is some information are there already. Okay. Okay. So if you see here, somebody was talking to me. Yes, you have ITP plan. I agree. Do you have pre-commissioning commissioning procedure? I think you don't have pre-commissioning procedure. Is not applicable. So I remove this. But you have punch list procedure.
Yes, correct. Punching list, yes, procedure.
And somebody was saying that you have a punch list for various activity. You have punch list?
Actually, for each activity, we are submitting the checklist, like which include the. We have termed it as a checklist in our project, like.
Okay, guys. So please be here with me, because you are for me. Now for MOC. So you have DCA procedure, design change procedure.
Design change won't work here, sir. Design change, we don't have design in the scope, so you can say.
So I remove it. I remove it. Not applicable.
You can put not applicable.
Refer 1.1. So this is also same thing. This is also same thing. This is also same thing. Yeah, correct. Very good. Okay, guys, going forward for next objective, to confirm the construction and installations workforce training and competency. Yes. So this is very good, system in ADNOC, and you have it. Examine the implementation of site HSE induction process. So site HSE induction process is being implemented as per the ADNOC requirement, and job specific training matrix is being implemented and verified through pre-mobilization audit. HSE training matrix is in place to ensure up-to-date training to all construction people. Construction HSE plan is in place to ensure the relevant training is being imparted. Contractor HSE induction plan is in place and impart HSE induction to all construction people. And this is okay. So this is document is available. So this is good document and good evidence. So we are happy. Review adequacy, implementation and application.